What happened in 2025 on A Place in the Sun? We launched our new property map. You can now search for homes using a location view to see where they are, explore nearby amenities, and discover similar properties close by. We've also introduced our Interactive Path, an interactive step-by-step journey that helps you navigate the overseas property buying process and identifies exactly where professional support can make a difference. What else? Our buying guides are being rolled out in a brand new format. You can now access updated guides with easy navigation, contact our team directly from within the guide, and explore the latest overseas property market insights for your chosen country. We also celebrated 20 years of A Place in the Sun exhibitions. For over 2 decades, our events have been helping house hunters find their perfect home abroad. And this year, we'll be doing it all over again. We can't wait to keep helping you with your overseas property search. Our website is packed with tools, guides, and inspiration. And who knows what exciting things 2026 will bring.